What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator, and here with my weekly Dollar Tree haul. I might actually film a couple hauls for you guys because I found so many cute things in one Dollar Tree. In 1 out of 3 that I went to, I found some really cute items, so I'll probably break it up into 2 hauls because I have things from 3 different stores to share with you guys. But the first thing I want to share with you guys is this wrapping paper. Now, this wrapping paper has been on my wish list for over a year, and I think it's so cute. I love all the scribbles and all the little sketches, the hearts, the diamonds, the arrows. I just love it so much. The first time that we saw this print, it was on a roll of tape. Now, you guys, I have this roll of tape stacked with other tapes, and I actually had a bath bomb in the middle of it from Lush, and so the inside of mine looks kind of discolored and gross, as you guys can see here. But this is the matching masking tape or packaging tape, whatever you want to call it, and I just love it so much. I've never seen it again, but this is my all-time favorite tape that I've ever seen at Dollar Tree, and I love it so much. You guys, they also came out with a little skinny notebook and pen set with the same print, and I just love it. I think it is so pretty. It's so cute. It even has skates on it and flowers, and oh, I just love it. I found one other wrapping paper as I picked this up, and I think Gator will love this so much. It has the racing flags and the gears and the monster trucks and the little mountains and the little flecks of dirt and stars. He actually was with me when I got this, and he was like, oh yeah, Mama, you got to get this and save it for my birthday. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And these are all by Voila, and they're pretty thin, but still, I love the prints, and you get 20 square feet. Next, I want to share with you guys some Dollar Tree items and a couple other items that came in a package in some friend mail from Pretty and Flawed. She sent me these cactus socks. And you guys, I have been looking for these stickers everywhere, and I haven't seen them. She found these Amy Tangerine stickers at Dollar Tree, and this has to be my most favorite pack of stickers, especially from Amy Tangerine, that I've ever seen. I think these are so gorgeous. I just love all the pinks and greens, and I just love how Amy puts together her collection of colors and stickers and things that she chooses to put together in a collection. I just really love that aesthetic. I just love these stickers so much. So thank you so much, sis, for sending 2, because I just love those so much. Also in the package is a super huge shopping bag, and I really love this. And I believe she got this at TJ Maxx. It is super huge, you guys. I really love these. I like to keep them in the car. And you know, when you've been out shopping all day, these come in handy when you're trying to like gather up all your little bags and all your things that you have in the front seat. A lot of times I put things in the front seat when I'm just going from store to store. And look at this, you guys. This is so cute. This cute little coin purse. I don't think it came from Dollar Tree. I'm not really sure where she got this, but I love it. It's so cute. And you guys notice my little lights back here? These are some lights that I got in a friend mail from 504 Pretty Things. So thank you, sis, for sending those. I love them. I just plugged them in for the first time, and I think they're so cute. And she sent this card, you guys. I love how it's a cute little shaker card, and I love the sound of it. And she stamped it on the back. She wrote, handmade with love, and she sent me a sweet little note, as well as these cute little llama page flags. I love those. And I'm not sure if this came from the 99-cent only store or Dollar Tree, but I've never seen them. They're super cute. You can click it, and I think it says different things. I love you a latte. Don't go. Bacon my heart. All of you. You have a pizza my heart. You are my jam. I love you a latte. I already said that. I love you a waffle lot. These are so cute. And she sent me this, and I'm super happy to have this. She said she got extras of these in the $4 Michael's grab bag, and these came from Michael's. These are the Recollection sticker books. 536 pieces, you guys. I love the sticker book. Thank you so much for sharing your stash with me. These are so cute. I love that they've incorporated pinks within the color scheme. These are just so adorable, and I really look forward to using these next year. You guys, I can't believe how many good things I've gotten in my grab bag, so next Christmas is going to be a lot of fun decorating, even more fun decorating and crafting and stuff like that. Look at that cute little penguin. So nice. So thank you so much to Pretty and Flawed for sending this package. Again, you guys, look at these socks. You can find these in your Dollar Trees. And I wanted to show you just a few more socks. These are actually for men, but they have the lady socks. So you guys add these to your wish list and just keep looking for them if you haven't seen them yet. These are some of the socks that Dollar Tree has been carrying lately, and all of my stores didn't have them. Out of 3 stores, only 1 store had these cute new socks. I was really excited to find these buckets. And I think I might be panned in way too close. Let me just adjust this for you guys. I found the Flowers and Garden buckets. They're super cute. Now, I found 2 other varieties of these buckets in an oval shape. This is the one I like the best. One said, I believe, Flowers and Garden, which is French for flowers. I just stuck with the one, and also, you guys, I got this thick diamond wrap. This was the second time I had seen the thick diamond wrap. Usually, it's much thinner, like maybe half of this size, or, I don't know, 3/4 of this size. But it's really pretty, and you get 6 feet. If you guys were with me on my last live shop with me in Dollar Tree at the new location, then you guys probably saw the 2 other items that I got, which was a blue and a brown pair of sunglasses for Gator. He was wearing them up on his head. I had him put them up there because the tag was still attached to them. But he went and found himself 2 pairs of sunglasses that he really liked. And also, look, you guys, I got another one of these because I really love this. I love this one so much. I have it next to my bed, and I like to use it at night. It smells so good. And I found some more Breezy. You guys, I've been going through lots of fabric softener sheets lately. This smells so good, and the Sun Sky Fresh scent. I love it, and in my opinion, you can't go wrong with any of the Breezy scents. The purple one is nice. The blue one is nice. I think there's another orange box that smells really nice. They all smell really good, and you get 55 sheets in one box. And next, you guys, Birdie picked out this glitter slime, and I think she forgot that she got it because it's been in here with my items. This is the Kiwi Lime Squeeze by VO5. If you guys haven't smelled this, just open it up and smell it in the store, you guys. It smells so nice. So I got 2 bottles of this, and I also got 2 bottles of the Salon Selectives. This is the, color safe one. That doesn't really matter to me. I don't color my hair or highlight my hair, but I like how it smells, and it's a 15% bonus bottle. And again, this is just the shampoo. I'm going to stick with using up my Tigi conditioner until it's gone because it's more of a high-end conditioner. And that's also a conditioner that I got at Dollar Tree last year, and I believe it retails for $10 a bottle. But I found it at Dollar Tree for just $1. Another great Tigi item that I found at Dollar Tree last year was the heat protective serum, you know, to use on your hair if you're going to use any heat on it. And it smells so nice. So I really hope the Tigi items come back again this spring like they had them last spring, because they are just really nice products. But hey, you guys, that wraps it up for my Dollar Tree haul. I have a lot more things to share with you, so be sure to tune in to my next haul that I post. because I have so many cute finds. You guys don't want to miss that haul. Wow, I mean, Dollar Tree is putting out so many cute items, I can't even believe it. If you think your family and friends would also like to see what sort of deals Dollar Tree has to offer, go ahead and share my video with them and let them know that Dollar Tree is definitely worth the stop. So you guys, please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and share with me down in the comments. Let me know what's on your Dollar Tree wish list for the week. And if you guys haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.